Hey everyone, Andy here again. Welcome back to Music Theory for Real People series. This is episode 5. Today we're unlocking one of the most important pieces of music, the major scale. This is the foundation of most Western music. Pop, rock, jazz, classical, you name it, it's in there. What is a major scale? A scale is just a sequence of notes in a specific order. The major scale has 7 notes before it repeats. Let's take the C major scale as our first example. It's easy because it has no sharps and flats. Now here's the real magic, the formula. Whole steps and half steps. The pattern, whole step, half, whole step, half. So we're going to use the guitar now. We'll start on a C note. So this on the 3rd fret, 5th string is a C. And then we move a whole step to D, that's 2 frets higher, another whole step to E, that's a whole step higher, a half step to F, 1 fret, a whole step to G, a whole step to A, a whole step to B, and a half step back to C. So the pattern works for any starting note. It's like a formula for happiness, literally. Major scales have bright and happy sound. Here it is again. Now I'm only using the 5th string so you can see the distances of the frets, okay? Now if we use the piano keyboards, this is what it looks like. So here's a tip, don't rush, play it up and down, feel the distance between the notes, okay? Ever heard of Do, Re, Mi in The Sound of Music? That's part of the major scale, just put to lyrics. Alright, recap. A major scale, or a scale, is just a sequence of notes. The major scale specifically have 7 notes before repeating. The pattern is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Start with a C major because it has no sharps and flats. It's quite easy on the keyboards or on the guitar. You can apply these patterns from any note. You can apply it on D, on G. Just follow the whole, whole, half, whole, half intervals or distance, okay? So this is your challenge for this week. Practice building a major scale starting from any note. Okay, try it on G, try it on D, and follow the formula. You'll find it will sound the same on a different key. If this episode helped you unlock the major scale, come back to the channel. I'll be posting episode 6, where we're going to talk about the minor scale and why it sounds emotional and moody. So keep that musical curiosity alive, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.